Welcome, friends and family. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For those of you listening that do not know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Larry Smith, and many of you know me as having a 35-plus year career in real estate and mortgage loan industries. But you may not know that my wife, Kathy, and I began our career in real estate as real estate investors. Now, I especially enjoy coaching people who are in foreclosure and need help from financial crisis and really just need to hit the reset button on life. We are able to help many of them stay in their home while others have to move on and need help selling. We also help those who have lost a loved one and are navigating probate. Many times these families must sell unwanted property and frequently need assistance in transitioning as a surviving parent into a senior living care facility. As the baby boomers enter the golden years, this will be an ever-growing opportunity to serve their needs. Now, why does that matter to you? Well, you see, we purchase houses using private money from individuals like you and me who loan their money from their investment capital or retirement accounts. You can now earn high rates of return safely and security in a way most people don't even know exists. You can use any investment capital that you have in retirement accounts, CDs, money market accounts, in the stock market, mutual funds, portfolio loans, and even home equity lines of credit. Our program allows you to create wealth by making a passive investment secured by real estate for a certain and reliable return. You can earn anywhere from 2 to 10 times more than traditional sources by becoming one of our private money lenders. I always secure your investment with a deed of trust and make scheduled interest-only payments so that your principal remains the same for the duration of our agreement. We can customize the loan to fit your investment needs, but the length typically lasts 2 to 5 years. But in case of emergency, don't worry, you can always get your money back. Your money is not pooled with other investors, so you own the entire loan and we make the rules, not some money manager looking for commissions. Now, you may be asking, why in the world would Larry want to use private money to pay such high interest rates for it? Great question, but the answer is simple, really. Time and convenience. You see, we can move quickly to make wholesale cash offers without the middleman. Banks have mounds of paperwork, applications, loan officers, underwriters. They're a pain to work with. Besides, the banks will only give you a few loans before limiting your line of credit. And to me, quick availability of funds is more important than paying lower interest rates to the bank. And oh, by the way, take a look at your credit card statements. Congratulations, you too are someone who is willing to pay higher interest rates for short-term money that is readily available. You see, with private money, we negotiate more profitable offers, we can close quickly, and we can fund an unlimited number of deals. This allows me to keep your investment capital earning a high interest rate, which doesn't change no matter if the market is up, down, or sideways. And your principal always remains the same. This is a very lucrative investment vehicle where you supply our company with short-term capital secured well by real estate for high, dependable, and safe returns. And that's the key, my friend, your safety. In fact, your safety is our number one priority. You know that traditional banks hedge their protection by loaning only about 80%, requiring the borrower to make a 20% down payment. But you see, we protect our lenders even more. Our company only allows you to invest up to 75%, not 80%, of the home's after repair value. So, if Larry Smith loses his mind or gets abducted by aliens and disappears, you as my private lender are left with a huge amount of equity as a safety cushion. So the worst that could happen is you end up owning a house at a very deep discount. A realtor could sell the property and get all your money back with interest. Not too bad, but equity is not your only safety net. As I've said before, that a deed of trust will secure each investment you make with our company. A real estate attorney will record at the county courthouse, which will then become public record. You will also receive a signed legal promissory note listing the exact terms of our agreement. The attorney will be responsible for all the documentation that keeps your investment safe and secure. This includes title insurance that we purchase on every closing to ensure a clear and clean deed, and it will be issued naming you, the lender, as the insured. This protects you against title defects that could affect your collateral. So you have lots of equity in a property, you're legally protected, but what happens if the house is vandalized or somehow destroyed? Not to worry, my friend, because you will be insured. This is because we also purchase property insurance as a part of the closing cost that protects you from fire loss or any other act of God that may take out the home. The insurance company will name you, the lender, right on the policy. So if the house burns down, the insurance company pays you directly for the full amount of your loan. They don't pay me, they pay you. We cannot think of any other investment that offers this much protection, safety and stability, and high rates of return than private lending offers. Now, I don't know about you, but right now I would be thinking, wait a minute, this guy wants me to send him a boatload of money to supposedly invest in real estate. But what if this is a scam? Wonder if he runs off with my money before any of these protections he talks about are even in place. And I don't blame you for being a little skeptical, so let me put your mind at ease. You won't be sending any money directly to me or our company. You should never send money directly to any real estate investor, even if it's your friend or family member. Instead, for your protection, you will send your funds directly to the escrow account or the closing attorney or title company. And just so you know, we pay all the closing costs. There are no hidden costs or fees when you lend your private money to us. You don't pay a penny. Now, I know that you want to invest your money safely and securely for a high rate of return. But maybe all your money is in a retirement account like a 401k or IRA. Can I use that? Absolutely yes, you can. And what better way to grow your wealth than tax-deferred, or in the case of a Roth IRA, tax-free? It's your IRA or 401k. Now listen to this. It must be self-directed. Well, what do I mean by self-directed? It simply means that you must move your account to another third-party administrator. Our administrator is Quest Trust. Then you can begin by making private loans that earn interest tax-free. This is easy to accomplish and does not trigger any tax payment or penalty because it's not considered a rollover by the IRS. If you think this is right for you, just let me know and we'll get in touch with my self-directed IRA specialist based right here in Dallas, Texas. Now, since you're dealing with real estate, a minimum investment is required to participate. We use larger amounts of money to purchase properties and smaller amounts for rehabs. Just let me know your investment capital range and we will put your money to work for you. And no, we won't hold your money hostage either. Simply give us a verbal pledge of the amount you want to invest to get started. Of course, the more you invest now, the faster your wealth will grow. Friend, I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video presentation on becoming our next private lender. The strategy may or may not interest you, and you know what? That's okay. But I'm sure many of you will have some questions to ask, so feel free to call or text me 972-345-7141, and we can speak directly, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Well, that's it. Until then, my friend, happy trails to you until we meet again. Bye for now.